Hello everybody, Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and today is a very special day because we have the Soft Flex design kit. This one is called Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, and if you don't know anything about Soft Flex, which I'm sure you do because they're amazing, they are based in Sonoma, California, and they are a small family-run business. So they are normally known for their beading wire as well as their crafting wire, which I have tons of both. But they also have really great crimp tubes and a lot of like beads that you can't find anywhere else. And so these challenge kits retail for $34.99, and they essentially carry everything that you need minus the tools to make a few jewelry pieces right out of the gate. I like to take these traveling with me. I travel a lot for my job, and so this is a perfect little tiny component that I can take with me, and just a couple tools here and there to make some stuff while I'm on the road. So this kit may be sold out by the time I post this. I am posting this a couple days late. I'm sorry, you guys. But the next kit is called Beltane Festival Design Kit, and it should be available for purchase now. So if you'd like to see what I got in this Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend Soft Flex design kit, then just keep on watching. Alright, so look at all the goodies. We always get some sort of twine, and if you haven't seen my box of threads and extra little pieces, I put this in here because I like to actually use them. I make tassels out of them, so I'm going to go ahead and put that guy in there for now. You see that juicy, cool rainbow one? That one was really cool. And we also have some like twisted colors down here as well. All around good stuff. But as you can see on the mat here, there's lots of like pinks and diamond colors. There's some black accents in here, and we have a silver metal tone. So let's go ahead, get organized, and get started. All right, first product we have here is the Extreme Sterling Silver 0.019 medium beading wire, and this is in a very pretty silver tone. Sometimes when we have silver tone things, it leans a little warm, but this is a really nice silver tone. And it says now with extreme abrasion resistance. And so the test strength here is 15 pounds, and you get a full little spool here. That is so cool. And it says 19 strand as well. So I don't even think I have any of this, so I'm excited to try it out. So we have a little bag here, but this packs a punch because this is the 2x2 millimeter sterling silver crimp tubes, and they are the best. If I'm making a jewelry piece to sell, I will only use Soft Flex, and that's just because I've had such a good run with them. And so I'm just going ahead and putting them in my big bag. I like to collect them, so I have them all in one spot, and I have the other Soft Flex colors here just hanging out on the side because I use them so much. It's just one of those things I have to have on my desk at all times. Next, we have a pair of silver-plated ear wires with ball. These are my favorite ones for silver, especially because it is an actual silver tone and not your kind of stainless steel tone, which is more of a grayish tone. So these are that bright silver color, and they're very beautiful. I love these so much. I buy them in bulk. We are also given an oval silver toggle, and again, this is that bright, beautiful silver color, not the stainless color. Which match these ear wires perfectly. This looks like to be a really nice clasp and a really good size for either a necklace or a bracelet. It's not too big for a bracelet, so you could definitely use it for that. So we'll see what we do with that. Are you seeing these? These are 6mm cubic zirconia pink tourmaline rondels. And oh my gosh, if you've never had CZ beads, they are just so sparkly in person. They are even elevated in my eyes over like our European crystal in certain ways. Normally the facets are much smaller, and that's true here with this bead. They are so pretty, and they're in that like very intense but still light. It is just a very unique color. I love that so much. What do you think about these? Look at that. Let me put a white background behind it. So now you can kind of see that pink intensity I was talking to you about. Oh my goodness. These are so special. Look at those. they had to throw something in there like that, didn't they, for this box with that theme? Okay, look at that. So we have some black ceramic round beads. We've got the 8mm size, and it has a larger hole, probably about a 2mm hole. And then a 12mm by 18mm black ceramic barrel. So we're getting into the little pops of black in here, making it very classy. Black with silver, love it. And then we have our sparkles in here. Look at these. And again, we get that larger size hole, so now we have some other things that we can do with these. Next, we have a handful of 7mm check glass clear with rainbow iris fire polish. And these are so bright and pretty. Are you seeing the sparkle on these? I mean, look at that. They are so luxurious. We love a good fire polish here on the channel. And a very good size too. Almost my perfect 8mm size, but you know, 7mm is just right there. And we get a bunch to play with. Next, we have a very versatile bead here, and this is a Hematite daisy spacer. And again, you can use these daisy spacers to elevate stretch bracelets, kind of like a demi-round would, but I think this actually gives it a little bit more visual interest, and you get a whole bunch here. I love these beads so much. I have an organizer just with these type of beads because I use them so much. Next is a beautifully feminine bead mix here by Just Bead It, and this was custom made for this box from what it says. And so let's put these down and see what we have. So we've got some actual pearls in here. They look like to be freshwater pearls that are dyed pink, and we get quite a few of those. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Let's bring our, look, it matches exactly, you guys. Bring our CZ beads in here in the pink tourmaline color. Okay. And then we have some of our nice creamy peach colored, looks to be, let's see, a glass pearl. That one's off to the races. You get a bunch of those. Very pretty feminine color, like I said earlier. And then are these little gemstone beads? It looks like they could be, or they could just be glass. I'll have to watch their unboxing to see exactly, but I didn't want to spoil myself. So these look to be like a nice 6mm gemstone bead, maybe an agate, a natural agate. We'll have to see what those are. Those are really pretty because I can see some inclusions in there. We've got a bunch of crystals here. I think we've got some, it looks like a shell bead. Yeah, it looks like a dyed shell. Okay, so this is not just your like run of the, like, you know, normal just glass mix. You know, I make those kind of mixes. And yeah, this has got some different kind of beads in here. Look at, you can see some of the flash from the shell. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. And the holes are pretty tiny, so it kind of checks out. See, like right there? That flash. And then we've got our crystal mix, and I am loving these giant pink bicones. Look at those. They're actually pink. I don't know if you can tell. Here's those. We've got a nice clear heart, crystal heart. We've got two like magenta color bicones. We've got the pink tourmaline kind of color. We've got a light pink. And then an even lighter pink. So you get like 4 different tones of pink there in that 6mm bicone. And then you get what looks to be maybe a 10 or a 12mm bicone set. And wowza. So let's mix it all together once again. Lots of components in there if you separate them out individually. Even though it's like a little bit of a small form factor here, there's a lot to work with. Lastly, we have this Diamonds, our girl's best friend, Jesse James bead mix. So let's see what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and sort this and we'll take a look. First up are these giant, like rectangle, like emerald cut. Love those. We've got a really unique pink tone here with our rhinestone beads, and these are chunky. These are a 12. From what it looks like, definitely a 12. And then we've got some bigger bicones. Again, it's kind of mimicking that diamond shape, so I kind of understand where they're going with that, having those big chunky diamonds with this theme, or big chunky bicones, excuse me. Then we're bringing some more of that silver tone in with these really sparkly crystals in a shape I don't know if I've ever seen before. It's a really unique shape. Let me go ahead and get a head pin out here for you. And so, yeah, they're just a little bit different, just a little bit different. And then we have some of our crystal rondel spacers, and they're in a lovely light pink tone here. So it looks like you get 6 of those in a beautiful, looks to be an 8mm size. Then we have some flower bead caps. We get 4 of those. We get some tiny black crystal rondels. We get some diamonds caged up. So these are just like little chatons, or actually they're double pointed. Is what it looks like. So they're not chatons, but they're double pointed crystals inside of a cage. And then we have, looks to be like maybe a 10 by 12 kind of bead, or maybe it's just a 10. But these are some milky white beads. Then we have some clear ones, some clear faceted glass. Those are always classic. And then we have some glass pearls in here. And so it kind of complements the other pearls that we have in the other mix. And so here's our mix. What do you guys think about this one? Look at her. All right, everybody, so what do you think? This is Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, a Soft Flex design kit. And thank you so much to Soft Flex for sending me this. Can't wait to start playing with it. I think my favorite beads in this box, it's kind of hard. Obviously, I think our CZs are #1, but I really love these fire polish. I also love the addition of these dyed freshwater pearls. I think it's just, there's just a lot of different types of beads in here, which makes it really, really satisfying. So let me know what you'd like me to start out with, if you'd like earrings, bracelets, or necklaces, down in the comments below, and I will try to get a tutorial out for you soon. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.